Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Rez for Daddy Rez Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Footahype's page was taken down on Instagram. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. Footahype's page was taken down on Instagram. I'm like, wow. Everybody's like, wow. This is crazy. So, you know, the king have a backup page because that's what we do. We always have a backup plan. So he went to the Galas Wednesdays page. Everybody go follow that. This is the page right here. All right? Yeah. And he had to talk what he had to talk regarding whatever he had to talk about the page, about, you know, something that was said about he had the interview with Fish. Anyway, yo, Mayu, Footahype, take it away. Big up your damn self.
Rochester, New York, you know? Spice and our friend them thief the other page, but I'm here. She ignorant. You know them white people are still already, you know. Yeah, people at that page I'm gonna go and work with till the investigation done for my next page. You see me? We're unstoppable, man. Runaway train. You hear that? Rochester, New York. On the pussy them. You hear that? Trouble. Yeah. So we're there, so share that page, Uncle Max. You see me? This name social media, one page lock your work, the next one, and lock this work on next one. You see me? We not bound or confined or to nobody or nothing. We are gangster. We are survivalists. Yeah, one door closed, you go through window, tear off his zinc off your house top. You hear that? So we stay bad with bad, and a bag we grab. You hear that? So everybody share that page, yeah. I hear somebody there work from here now. Yeah. Rochester, New York. Them fly out, they fly out. Them drive out, they drive out. I don't care cheap, I can suck on them mother. Drive where I drive. Yeah, reach where I go, I reach where I go. That me I'm telling you. I never seen no airline named Gay Air or Fish Airline. So I know how I go like Batman have power, and a Batman have power. You hear that? First thing, I never go in a mall yet and see a line over there that say only gay people buy these clothes. Because someone not talk about, oh, gay people make clothes. Gay people have to work in a factory, them else hungry, kill them. You see me? You ever go up on a plane and see a man have on a badge say, oh, my name is Shrimpy Shrimp and I am gay and I am only serving gay passengers on the plane? No. Somebody will ask me, oh, so you, yeah, when you play a dance, nobody gay in there. Me no blood clot know that. But me know it's not a gay event. So if gay people want to come worm in themselves fast in our business, I feed them business that. But you can't say you ever see football player one gay event. Some of them, oh, so Batman never play every player. No! Hell fucking no! But we're not talking about. No shaky, but if you work for Guineas and you're shaky, that now have nothing to do with me. Right. Because you can't come to me and say, oh, I'm gay, I work for Guineas. You cannot do it. So me don't know if you're gay. Right. Mama go say me go to embassy and is a gay man give me my visa. When you go to embassy, they will spend 10 minutes to talk to the person behind the glass. Oh, you know say people ain't gay. It look like him tamper with her bottom or something. I don't know. Oh, you are going to know if the person gay. Tell me the truth now. Oh! Remember saying that even if you see somebody and move, look a bit shaky, we assume in our head, say, boy, they're shaky now. But you're never going to hear anybody say, oh, I'm gay and I work for McDonald's. Gay people have to worm themselves in a straight people world to survive. If I so be the case, then tell gay people identify themselves. So this is Macy's gay store. And see if you see we in there. Say this jacket is made for gay people only. And see if it works. Some of them are talking about Batman make your clothes, make over clothes. No Batman they make my clothes. Batty man make clothes. Them make clothes in specs of straight people.
Right.
Me not see no pants with the bottom cut out with a look up all. I said, this is for gay man. I suck on the moment when I don't want people submit in the chat. Fuck it. I want people, I'm a straight.
Yo, what else is that?
No, I'm the Burger King right there, man.
I'm a straight till me dead. Nope.
What?
Nope.
Where you at?
You made them talk about, oh, I feel them really living. No, I'm my world this. I'm my world this. Anyway, me go live in my world. Them a fight to live in our world.
Alexander.
Them have them own community, right? So why are they working in an heterosexual environment? Why you don't go and stay in the LGBT community and work there, sir? Why you don't sell your clothes in the LGBT community? Cause you're not gonna make no money. Them a use mind game to make we feel like say gay people more than straight people are they more powerful. They are not. No me, this a Rochester. No plane me fly pan. Oh, the bomb buckle out of me there, I'm straight like arrow. So, when me hear some people about Batman around the world, run your world, not mine. A 40 a day, what a straightness me I live and me not suffer. And me have money, and me I live good. Me not own a rent, me not own nothing. Me own more than one car, me alright. Me pitney them take care of my family, them good. But you are be to you now. Me gonna submit to this. Do the movement. Cause uno want Bentley like Jay-Z. Uno want Rolls Royce like Beyonce. Yeah, Beyonce? Yeah, Jay-Z? Stay your ground. Me a Footahype, me a Mayweather. Me cannot afford the suit of Mayweather, man. You have to learn to live with that in your brain. So you are not at the stage of that person. You know much I want to go check dressmaker and about more than just a J-Lo where your belly big, your breast long, or you forget it. It now gonna look good for you. Red eye, make you do them something, you know. Cause if the LGBTQ community say, they might give you $10 million for poison your picnic. You gonna do without the $10 million? Right. So why the LGBT community gonna tell us that we are give you $10 million to come represent your culture? How we sure when they know say we culture not work with that. Walk for $10 million. One day if you can walk with certain things. Now one page at them lockdown with Footahype, now one next one this with me. Oh, they must stop you. Oh. Wanna give in because in a lean and some wanna been licking ass and eating shit crumbs. So when them things happen, you just glad to say, yo, wanna give in. Yeah, bomb buckle like do you know. I made this, I during Sundays. I live in Jamaica for 20 a day before I have visa. No visa can't make me frightened and do not what me nothing do. No deal, no nothing. Me go back to zero. Roast breadfruit with salt. We know that. One stick of chiffon butter and breadfruit well roast hot. Melt way. Belly full. Sugar water and lime. Burp. Go home, I'll eat your lobster. 2 hours you're still hungry. Everything when you name 2 hours you're still hungry. So why me if you give away my soul? For caviar. When I chiffon butter me know. Go on here. Oh, clear. I'm too no. You think they can't frighten me? You think they can't frighten me? Footahype got jail more than one time. When you're there jail, you're not no internet. You're not no Instagram, no Facebook, no nothing. You have grill and bunk. So me not have to kill myself for no page. If them want to take the page, take the page and shove it up and down a sour mama. A different page this and me start back from zero. And me thousands of followers and they still follow me. I want here. You think me can be the pipe and make a rattle lead me? That must be nonsense.
Yeah, man, see what else I better do, man.
I want to know, man. People have to know ourselves in these times. Bob Marley sell multi-millions out of copy a record and never have no YouTube. I never have no Instagram. I never have no iTunes. I never have none of them something there. Yesterday I watched a documentary. Peter Tosh said the first release of the album sell 40,000 copies in a day. And the record company that print no more because they fight reggae. A long time when I fight reggae. Bomb buckler. Ladies sound, I never do this.
And a large fry.
Ladies sound, I never do this.
Yeah, and a large fry. A large cup.
Yeah, mama, lady son, I never do this. You hear that, mama? Mama! She can't.
You get a large cup?
Mama!
I can't hear nothing.
You can't hear nothing? You don't know Jamaican? You know lady sir?
No, sir, you're not real loud. We can't even take the order.
You know Spice?
Yeah. Yeah, a large cup. You got that? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Alright.
You don't know Spice? Yeah. People, let me tell you something, man. Listen, life is a gift. And you see, you can't reach midway in your life and turn your back on God. And also it work. God can bless you and give you talent and then you shit on God. Jamaica get the blessed music. Reggae and dancehall is from the gods. Yeah, we have to preserve that shit. Batman and Jamaican business no mix. I mean this in America, I'm not afraid.
14?
I mean the brownie and the miserable one. Okay. Cause she come in and defend the next one, you know. So look at bandy legs still. Yeah, so hear me as a people. You see we, the players of instrument, the Bible tell you, you know. The players of instruments shall survive. So we are the front runners, we have to know what we are doing. You understand me? I say we have to know what we are doing. See it there? Right now, 65 active followers me have on my live. I'm going to use a page all long. People tell a friend to tell a friend, the viral king, God pick me up on a page here. And yes, so we are going live. And we are going live in a dance tomorrow. At Rochester with there. You understand? Shorty, you know Spice? You know Spice? You know Lady Saw? You don't know Jamaican music?
Yeah.
Who you know in Jamaican music? Go up look more than the world. Who you know? Who you know? Yeah. Browning. Hey mama, which Jamaican artist you know? You know Sean Paul? You know Shaggy?
No.
You know Bujo?
Yo, check your bag and see if everything is
Yeah, that in Indiana. You know Bujo? You know Bounty Killer? Allah, you know Bounty Killer? You know Beanie Man? You see what I tell you? And you know Spice too? Which one is Spice song?
What's that song? I can't think of it right now.
Oh, why not go down there? What? Okay. So, yeah, so me like it. Yeah. Yeah. Spice, that's why if you stop ramp with the bumper clad music, I want to hear. I want to hear, don't play. I want to hear. You see, she know what she know Bunty and Beanie do before she know anybody else. DJ Wave. Big bad and brave. Oh yeah, beat the girl them like a slave. Let them ball out mama, I want to go to my grave.
Too much now, man.
Oh.
That brother here.
You not get from the car before?
Oh, my beg money?
You get?
Why not that you want? Money, you want to go buy a rock.
Sure.
Yeah, man. Say them act soul, big up on yourself. Yeah, people. Righteousness above all things. You see me? Are we this again? Like that entire journal. Yeah, me like it. Are we this again?
Yeah.
Yeah, presidential man. Spice, run up! I wish gang this. Who Chinese? Bomb clad. A Chinatown there. I will go out there so now we have to have a last enough. And we have Karachi with blood clad. Then you want something? One song.
He's saying you want some.
Yeah, water. I'm a water person. I drink whole heap of water. Then you know, say the wicked girl not giving a straw. True, she knows Spice. Blood clot. Can you get one for this, alright?
Oh,
Them
water.
Oh shit. Yeah man, people are over here so with the Footahype. Viral king, you see me?
Yeah, they open.
So tell a friend to tell a friend at the backup page this or the Galley 20 page this. And we can go live and do beating because them not black up that page yet. You see me? So we're there in Rochester, New York. You know, the big show tomorrow. People want to dress up or go casual and they talk to me. Talk, remember, you know. I mean the straight people them are reason, you know. Please, me I beg on the people, if you don't lean, if you don't shake it, don't follow me. Unfollow me now. Zine? If you're an alphabet person, unfollow me now. Yo, you love that nice muffler there.
Love it.
And a Jamaica in there, beer crash turn him in there do. Please, if you shake it, don't follow me. See me? If you're in an alphabet crew, don't follow me. Jamaican Jai, where you say dress up tomorrow? Where you say nice button down and pointed mouth or sneakers? Where you say talk to me now? Come you have all different kind of sitting now. Wanna talk to me?
Other one day open the show, shoot a bravo.
Bike Life Drew, where you deal it? Yeah, people want to share that page here, you know, blast it out. Make them know if they want to see the king, you know. Belinda, what go on? Yeah, the next page up on suspension, it's under investigation. The Sprat, them report the page, 1 million of them one time. So Instagram, I wonder which terrorist this now, everybody reports so quick. You see me, but we care not. This name technology, one lockdown, we open the next one. Bad people take. I wonder if you remember this strong. Yeah, Rochester, we're there. Out in the world. Blessed. Zine. Out in the world. Entourage big like the president. I mean, you're on the resident, you hear that? Yeah, my G. Straw. That is straw for me.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Get a straw for me. Yeah. We're out here, Rochester, New York.
Hey, that's what I call you.
Flying up.
Yo, you're live, you know.
Oh, you're live. Live what? Oh, buck.
Yo, let me get too strong, fam.
Out here in the world. Yeah, we never scared, never fear. We try the earth as a straight man. With the ancestors them around me. Bad with bad. Bumbuckler, they feel like a bag of grab. I want to know. Think of chattings, knockings. Shh. Big up she's the Sherlock, you know, so the third. Brown and white, Fort Lauderdale. And see me. Remember the 31st, money ball. Box of money sitting here, see me. Don't remember Thanksgiving, Gallis Wednesday, and LA, you know, I'm out in Iraq. Trouble, you know. Hot, you know. What I'm going to do, make them catch a gear. Don't remember VFS. You see me? 26 to the 28th, Fort Lauderdale, Miami. You see me? Out here. Out here. Without fear.
Forward, you see me?
You see it?
Respect
Up
one
in
another.
them town.
Yo, we outside one family.
Yeah.
Straight, yeah,
Mad.
Wash out again.
Hush. Easy. Rochester, we Lord. You see?
Live.
You see?
Ready?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
I got that. Yeah, man. Up full. Good to be out here in the world. Yeah. Live ready already. Yeah. Bumbuckler. Rochester, we're outside. Up. Out here. In a road. White line style.
Like a dog with out here.
Bumbuckler. Yeah. Trouble.
They are alive.
Yeah, Rochester, wanna come out.
Bravo, they are alive too.
King Bravo. Remember him at the opening act for show tomorrow. So you know a shellings. Girl get belly swellings. You understand? Yeah. Some boy don't like but to teach them his spellings. Bumbuckler, we know the pussy smelling. You hear that? Bad people think. Yeah. Outside, yeah. Yeah, so you know it go. Fully entourage, you see it. 10 vehicle convoy, them know the things to you. We don't play boy. Rough up road, you hear? See there, 10 vehicle convoy, don't play it. Out the door, you see me? Father Ref anyway. 90s to the world. You hear that? Up. Bumbuckler.
can't see the iPhone.
Yeah, outside. So ladies, here we are going now. It's kind of chilly. So here we're going to wear a tall coat with no jaws, no clothes under it. And just come at the show. You see me? I don't reach in the club and just give me a flash. You know the thing though. We got the ballers there, you know, so they have to bring the money full up. Give me cash. You see it? Yeah. Outside go. We're outside. New York City. Rochester. You hear that? Tell them don't make rise to Winchester. You hear that? Yeah. Trouble. Yeah, people are that. Susie. Yo, Susie. Michelle. Rachel. Angel. Alright. We know what other name they're going to fit her. Yeah. But she Angel, she look around. I'm good at the devil. Yeah. Up. Oh, class. Them dead. Yeah, Rochester, you know the thing over there, you know. So let one of them fly on it. See it there? Why you think it name we outside? Cause we outside. You hear that? And a normal something look from this, you know. Trouble there, them foot, you see it? Yo, I like that 69 number, the 2 more followers jump on fast, cause 69 business, 71, good. You see me? People, we're there at Rochester, come out early tomorrow. You know, a big dance and a joke something. And a chatting, my battery got dead. So, big up on yourself, Zeal. Love goes out. Footahype in your town. Rochester, mad move.
Alright, as you can see, you can't keep a good man down. Footahype, big up your damn self. See the youth in a happy mood? Money have to make. Go and do it. In the meantime, I am Daddy Reds. Fire bun them. And I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care.